Overview of the international conventions and declarations. In this module, we will take a very brief overview of various key conventions and declarations pertaining to women's rights and women's protection and empowerment. In 1954, Convention on the Political Rights of Women took place. In 1964, Convention to the Consent of Marriage, Minimum Age of Marriage, and Registration of Marriage took place at the UN level. In 1974, Declaration on the Protection of Women and Children in Emergency and Armed Conflict. In 1979, Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW. 1993, Declaration of the Elimination of Violence Against Women. 1995, Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action. 2003, Maputo Protocol, Protocol to the African Charter on Human and People's Rights and on the Rights of Women in Africa. 2014, Convention on Preventing and Combating Violence Against Women and Domestic Violence, the Istanbul Convention, 2016. The Paris Agreement under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. So we see that all of these conventions, they were in the same direction, going for women protection, stopping and putting an end to discrimination, and working for women empowerment.